On the way to Khairpur Mears, I decided to stay overnight in Naushero Feroze. The Deputy Commissioner of this district is Mehdi Ali Shah. He is the youngest brother of my close friend Air Commodore Asghar Ali Shah Naqvi. Mehdi Ali Shah is like a younger brother to me as well. In the morning, after a very nice breakfast, I took an interview of Mehdi Ali Shah. Who else can describe this city better than him? Here is what he said.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Syed Mehdi Ali Shah and I am posted in this district since March 2013. I am posted here as Deputy Commissioner of this district. It spreads over 90 kilometers of radius. This district, National Highway is passing through this district, which is about 100 kilometers, and river Indus is also passing from this district, which is also 100 kilometer. We have potential of agriculture in this district. We have main crops like wheat, cotton, sugarcane, banana, and we have a lot of area of forest here, and people come here and for hunting. The partridges and hog deer are the main field of interest for hunting, and this district has spread over 5 talukas, and the district is very old and central of the Sindh province. Taluka are 5 units in which this district is distributed. Every taluka has my assistant commissioner and other official set up every taluka. So the district is spread over 5 talukas. Being deputy commissioner, I am the administrative boss of the district. All the line departments reports to me except judiciary. Judiciary is independent, but police, engineering departments, agriculture department, health and education department all come to me and I look after them, their problems. So basically my job is administrative job, and I am working here as administrator of the district. Actually my services are from district management, so I am here to resolve the problem of poor people, and I do look after here the development of the district, like roads, like buildings, like schools, like hospitals, and we do work day and night. And I love to invite those people who are interested in hunting. In forest there is a wild hunting, and there is a lot of quantity of wild boar is here. People come here and enjoy hunting with dogs and with guns. So I would like to invite those people who are interested in hunting in our district. I have 2 rest houses. One is circuit house, with the accommodation in circuit house is good, which is controlled by our district administration, and other is our irrigation rest house. That rest house is also good, but in this district no 3 and 4 star hotel is here, but small hotels are here, and food of those hotels is very good, traditional Pakistani food, Sindhi style food is available on those restaurants. And all the telephone contacts and emails of our district administration are available on email. Anyone who is interested to visit this district for the purpose of hunting or otherwise, he can contact us on our email or on our telephones. We will arrange accommodation for them, and he would like to stay in our circuit house or in our irrigation rest house or in any hotel. The local administration will help them out in all in all. The charges of our official rest houses are very nominal. For a night, there are only 2,000 rupees, Pak rupees, which are being charged as rent of the room, which is very, very nominal. For whole day tour to our forest, the expenses for vehicular expenses and other expenses are not more than 10 to 20,000 Pak rupees. The provincial government has set up a department of wildlife which gives you permission for hunting. To seek the permission for hunting is not so difficult, it is very easy. One who come here, he approaches to the officers of that department, and the department issues a permission for hunting of partridges or for hog deer or for wild boar very easily on very nominal rates.
Naushero Feroze has a population of over 1.5 million. Incidentally, Naushero Feroze is only 11 kilometers away from Bhiria city, my birthplace. My father used to bring me here all the time. Being on this land jogged my memory. Suddenly, I felt that this is my land and I belong here. I had a strong urge to live here forever. I wish that Pakistan had peace, and after getting my retirement, I would move here for good. Pakistan has 4 provinces, and one of them is Sindh. If anyone wants to experience the real life and the real culture of interior Sindh, this is the place to be. Speaking of Sindh, I must mention Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. He was the most famous Sindhi Sufi scholar, mystic, saint, and poet. In his poems, he also wrote about Sindh and its neighboring regions, distant cities such as Istanbul and Samarkand, as well as Sindhi sailors, their navigation techniques, voyages as far as the Malabar coast, Sri Lanka, and the island of Java. Bhitai spent much time in contemplation and meditation since he was concerned about his moral and spiritual evolution with the sole purpose of seeking proximity of the divine. He would often seek solitude and contemplate on the burning questions running through his mind concerning man's spiritual life. Why was man created? What is his purpose on this earth? What is his relationship with his Creator? What is his ultimate destiny? Mehdi Ali Shah showed me various photographs hanging around the walls. Some had inscriptions of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and some showed the history of this beautiful city. Here is how he described.
लाले सजण नायण धार थियन आखिर थिया, मतलब कह रहा है कि अपने जो लव्ड वंस होते हैं वो अल्दो आप चाहते हैं कि जी आपसे जो है ना कभी जुदा ना हो, लेकिन एक दिन ऐसा आता है कि जुदा होना पड़ता है।
तत्ती तत्ती का वेल का है यह तत्ती तत्ती का, यानी गर्म और जो ठंडी हवा लगती है ना उसको हम बोलते हैं लुक, जो गर्म हवा लगती है। काने वेल वेहल जी, जो वक्त आता है उसका कुछ पता नहीं होता, जैसे हवा आती है जो अपना टाइम से आती है, और रुख जो है उसका जो रास्ता है वो अपने खुद अख्तियार करती है, जहाँ से जाती है वो करती है।